Morning, students. So today it is our EVS subject in our timetable. So we will start with our EVS subject. So for this, everybody open your EVS textbook. Everybody open it fast. I'm waiting for you. Yes, everybody have opened. So now for this, open page number 5, chapter number 1. I and my body. Open page number 5. Write today's date. Write CW. Ready? Okay. Now, you know we all have our body and our body has many body parts. So, for this, you have to fill up this exercise. This is your homework. So, today everybody will finish this and post the pics of this on Teno to show me whether you have done your homework or not. So for this you have to write your name, what is your age, you are a boy or a girl, you are in which class, what is your school name, then what is your address, where do you stay, what is your father's name, what is your mother's name, when is your birthday. So the teacher can come at your home and meet all your friends. So this exercise you have to fill it by your own and you have to send me the pic of this. Then students, turn the page, open page number 6. Yes, open page number 6. Now students, you can see here. You have to draw a smiley and if you can then you have to draw a smiley. If you can't, then you have to draw the sad face. So now you look at here. What are you doing? Let's see. Can you comb your hair? Yes. Can you comb your hair? If yes, then draw a smiley. Now, can you drive a car? No. Only father or mother drives the car. So you have to make the sad face. Then, sharpen my pencil. Can you sharpen your pencil? Yes, because you are a big boy or a girl. So draw a smiley. Then you have to ride a horse. So, can you ride a horse alone? No, na? So, you have to draw the sad face. Then, can you polish your shoes? No, na? You are small, na? So, again a sad face. Yes. Now, my likes and dislikes. You are special. You are different from your best friend. Yes, you both are special, but you both are different. How are you different from your best friend? See, if you like red color, but your friend does not like red color, you have to do this exercise and tick and show me which color you like and which color your friend likes. Now, what you like to play? Cricket, football or badminton. But do your friend like to play cricket, football or badminton? So for this, you have to take your favorite color, your friend's favorite color, your favorite game and your friend's favorite game. What do you like to eat? Apple, grapes or mango? Yes. If you like apple and if your friend doesn't like apple, then what you will do? So for this, you have to tick or circle on your favorite things and your friend's favorite things. Now, when you come to page number 7, you can see a picture of a girl. See now, parts of our body. In class 1, you had learned about the parts of your body. But now, when you come to the class 2, you have external organs. External organs means the organs which you see outside. That is your external organs. And look at this picture. It is your internal organs. Internal organs means these part are inside you. External organs means eyes, ears, nose. These are out of your body. But brain, lungs, heart, stomach is inside your body. So this is internal organs, and eyes, ears, nose are external. So for this, you will finish this activity at your home. You will click the picture and you will send me this. So this is your today's homework. So write HW here. Yes, you know your external parts na. Now you are grown up and you must know also. This is your eyes, this is your nose, this is your tongue. Yes na? Yes, I want to see this. Everybody's exercise in my Tenno app. As soon as I open, I want to see lots of messages in Tenno. Okay, I want to see this as your homework. Now when coming to internal parts, I know you are very small, so you don't know where is your internal parts. So look at this picture. Brain is inside your head. Can you see brain in your external body? No, na, because it is internal. So brain is inside your body. And this is lungs. What do lungs do? Oh, that is a very big thing, but I want to teach you this. Lungs helps us to breathe. We can breathe in, breathe out. With whose help we breathe? Nose. So nose helps our lungs to breathe. Then heart. What do the heart do? It pumps the blood to all parts of our body. What do heart do? It pumps blood to all parts of our body. Then what do stomach do? Yes, stomach digests the food we eat. You eat from your mouth and it goes to your stomach. So it digests your food. Then, when it comes to the sense organs, we know that we have 5 sense organs. How many sense organs do we have? 5. Yes. Can you name them? Yes, fast. I'm waiting for you. Can you name them? Yes, you have learned in class 1 now. Yes. Eyes, ears, nose, skin and tongue. Again, eyes, ears, nose, skin and tongue. You know, when you were in class 1, I used to teach you. How I used to teach you? Eyes to see, ears to hear, nose to smell, tongue to taste and skin to feel. Again I want to repeat it. How we identify our sense organs? Eyes to see, ears to hear, nose to smell, tongue to taste and skin to feel. Again I want to listen this song again and again. You can record this song and you can tell me. You can send me this on your Tenno app also. Yes? Now, taking care of our body. You students nowadays, as we are suffering from coronavirus effect, so for this you have to take care of your body. But basics manners also we have, that how to take care of a body. Like number 1, wash your hands and feet properly. Yes, when you play, when you come out from, when you come inside your house from outside, what you will do? You will wash your hands and feet properly. Why? Because there are lots of germs on your feet and hands, so you have to wash it very carefully. Then number 2, eat healthy food. Yes, no junk food allowed it. Healthy food means you have to eat only healthy food like fruits, green leafy vegetables and all type of different vegetables. Drink milk daily. Yes. Then number 3, wash your eyes with cold water. What you have to do when you come inside your house And if you wake up from your sleep, wash your eyes with a cold water. Why? Because it will make your eyes feel little better. Then brush your teeth twice a day. Now tell me, how many of you are brushing your teeth? Yes, all of you is brushing now. Very good. But you have to brush your teeth twice a day. That means you have to brush your teeth 2 times a day. Then bath daily with soap and water. Now how many of you bath daily? Now you all are at your home. So do you bath daily? Yes? Yes, everybody have to bath daily. Yes, because it keeps our body fresh and clean. Then number 6, drink lots of water. Yes, you have to drink a lot of water because it helps your body to fight against the heat. Then play outdoor games. Yes, this nowadays I know nobody is playing outdoor games because right now we are fighting with the coronavirus. But you can play outdoor games when the coronavirus is being finished, and it keeps your body healthy and fit. Don't play with your mobile phone. Understood? I am going to come to your house and check whether you are playing with your phones or not. I will ask your parents about this. Yes? So students, did you understood the topic I and my body? What is you will finish this exercise and show me the pic. Then what you like and what your friend likes. Then this is your today's homework. This exercise I want to see finished, and I want to see the pictures of this exercise from your Teno. Then you learned about the internal organs and external organs. Yes. Then about our 5 sense organs, I want to listen the song. Eyes to see, ears to hear, nose to smell, tongue to taste, and skin to feel. I hope you all have understood the chapter, and if you have not understood, again take the do the repetition of this video so you can learn it very easily. Try to read again and again, and if you have some queries, if you don't understand anything, you can message me. I will teach you again. Okay. Thank you friends, and thank you students for listening to this.